this look worn by Deepika Padukone for the launch of Film Fair Middle East. I put up a poll on Instagram and a lot of people wanted me to recreate it. So here it is. Sorry for the voiceover, it's just easier for me to do my makeup without talking. I still haven't gotten used to it. So looks that you want me to recreate, please you can DM me on Instagram or you can leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much and thank you for watching. Bye guys.
I'm going to begin with doing my eyebrows using the L'Oreal E4 palette and an angled brush. I'm imitating Deepika's thick eyebrows with short upward strokes using the dark brown from the palette. You do not necessarily have to do the same eyebrows as hers, you can do it in the way you are most comfortable. As usual, I'm going to use sticky notes to create the wing eye. You can do it freehand if you're comfortable that way. I'm using the Colossal Kajal to create the wing eye. First, I'm just going to outline the wing and the crease and then just fill it in. Don't worry about creating a mess, we're just going to correct it later with the black eyeshadow. Now I'm going to move on to creating a black line or right at my lash line where I use my eyeliner and just make a messy black line which I will smudge out later. Here I'm filling in the rest of the eyelid with my kajal. You can stop halfway like I do or just fill in the whole lid, whatever you're most comfortable with. Now I'm just going to smudge in whatever I've filled in with the kajal to create a gradient look. Here I'm using a Bharat & Doris black eyeshadow and a Viga flat eyeshadow brush. I'm patting on the eyeshadow wherever we've applied the kajal. Then I'm going to blend it out with the Bharat & Doris blending brush. This will make sure our eyeshadow looks smooth and seamless. Here I'm redoing the lash line to give a more darker look which must have faded because of all the blending. I'm going to add kajal on the bottom lash line and tight line. Here I'm brushing my eyebrows back into place. I'm going to move on to my foundation and I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. Her skin in the picture is very matte and has no dewy finish to it, so this foundation will help me achieve that look, while you can use whatever you are comfortable with and you have in your kit already. I'm just blending it in with the foundation brush. You can use a sponge or your fingers. Next step is a concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This will help brighten my under eyes and cover up my dark circles. To blend it out, I'm using a flat foundation brush. Again, you can use a sponge for this step. I'm going to set the concealer with a powder so that it prevents creasing. My next step is applying a bronzer. I'm using an Inglot bronzer which is of matte finish for the same step. Next, I'm applying Maybelline's Cheeky Glow blush right on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going to finish up the eye. I'm applying kajal to the bottom lash line and I'm going to smudge it out with the black eyeshadow that we used on the lid. This will give a smoky, balanced look on the top and the bottom of the eye. I'm prepping my lips for a lipstick. I'm using my favorite MAC's Velvet Teddy. You can use whatever nude lipstick that you have in your kit and suits you the best. This is just a lipstick that I love a lot. That's the end of the video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys.